हमारी लाइफ में लव, पीस एंड हार्मनी वाकई सबसे अहम चीज़ें हैं. I will only speak very briefly about it, the significance in our artistic and cultural and film industry, television industry. An industry which is actually meant to give happiness, entertainment to the whole world. We try very hard. Each artist puts forward a very brave front, does what he's supposed to do, laughs, cries, dances, entertains. But trust me, as human beings, they have as many problems as everybody else. I think a lot of our artist community is here today. The kind of problems each of them face. In front of the camera, it starts sound, light, action, and they are performing. But what they go through in personal life, what they need is love, peace, and harmony. And that is something we all strive for, whatever be our calling in life, जो भी हमारा profession हो, end में जब तक अंदरूनी शांति और वो नहीं मिलता है, तब तक nothing seems worth it. In fact, it sometimes saddens me to see people who have achieved so much in their professional lives still feel that they're going through anxiety, through depression, through various kind of emotional traumas. And I think that is where we need the blessings and focus on the Almighty and seek that peace, inner peace. And I would say, Hamari Brahma Kumari's ki sisters, they are a very good guiding light. They hold our hand and take us through our troubled times and guide us how to achieve that. Of course, each of us has to strive, and I think this launch of this Universal Cultural Wing is going to be a very good pathway to lead people to that. So let us strive, not focus only on the external, but focus also on our internal. Because as Didi said, being good human beings, being a unique individual, not comparing ourselves, is the first step to it. Appreciating what we have, be grateful for what we have. I think gratitude जो हम बार बार सुनते हैं, but शायद कई बार उसका उपयोग नहीं करते हैं. Wake up each morning with a thank you for all our blessings, for the fact that we have woken up, and for all which we are going to get forward through the day. Good and bad is a part of our life. In fact, they say if only good happens, then we will not even appreciate it, because जब तक कुछ बुरा नहीं होगा, हमें अच्छी की अहमियत नहीं होगी.